How to fix Facebook newsfeed not updating. So first is to ensure that the Facebook application has been updated to its latest version. So if not, just head over to the Play Store application for Android users or the App Store for iOS users. And now search for Facebook. So if you see an update option, it means that the application has not been updated. So just tap that button to update. If not, then that means that the application that you have is already updated to its latest version. So if the issue is still not fixed, go to your settings application and find apps. Using the search icon, search for Facebook. And then found on the bottom right corner, select Force Stop. Now select Storage under Usage. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data, which is found below. So if the issue persists, all you can do is to report this problem. So head to your Facebook application, take a screenshot of your newsfeed that is not working, and then tap the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner. Now tap the Help and Support option, which is found below. Select Report a Problem, and then tap the toggle button beside Shake Phone to report a problem. Now tap OK, and then tap the Report a Problem option again. Now tap Report Problem, then select Don't Include in Report. Here, you will select Feed. Now tap the Upload from Phone button and select the screenshot of your newsfeed. So in this text box, you will construct a message describing your problem. So after writing your message, tap the arrow button which is found on the upper right corner. So now your problem has been reported. Those are the ways on how you can fix Facebook newsfeed not updating. Thank you and have a great day.